Thank you very much. And next speaker is Madame Keller.
Thank you. In 2008, when the Return Directive was adopted in this House, it was harshly criticized by us Greens, by many non-governmental organizations and even by heads of governments. Latin American leaders called it a directive of shame. The directive allows for an excessive detention of irregular migrants. They can be put into jail for up to 1.5 years, not for a crime, but for the simple offence of staying in the European Union without permission. And now we are informed that even these excessive rules are not being implemented properly by the Member States. Obviously, Greece is using a legal trick for detaining migrants even longer than the maximum of 1.5 years. And this could affect several thousands of people. I would like to know from the Commission what it is going to do against this breach of European law and whether it will take effective measures to end this. And from the recently published evaluation of the Return Directive by the Commission, which, by the way, is not very informative, we also learned that also other Member States are not even sticking to the low standards of the Return Directive. Several do not have criteria for the risk of absconding, which is the major reason for why people are being detained. One Member State prolongs detention unlawfully. A fourth of all Member States has no mechanism for monitoring return procedures, and only one-half of all Member States have special detention centres. If I understand the evaluation report correctly, then the Commission has not even one case started an infringement procedure. Can the Commission please explain that? What steps are you going to take against Member States that are obviously in breach of European law? The evaluation also omits very important questions. And I would like to know in particular how long migrants are being de facto detained, and why did the Commission not provide any information on this? And lastly and finally, the Parliament has always said that no one is illegal, and we should also respect that in the titles of our debate. Thank you very much.
And next speaker is Mr. Koundis for 1.5 minutes.
Ευχαριστώ κύριε Πρόεδρε. Αγαπητοί συνάδελφοι, γνωρίζετε πολύ καλά ότι η Ελλάδα και οι άλλες χώρες του Νότου δέχονται το κύριο μεταναστευτικό ρεύμα. Και ενώ το πρόβλημα είναι ευρωπαϊκό, η αλληλεγγύη, η έμπρακτη αλληλεγγύη μένει μόνο στα λόγια από τις άλλες ευρωπαϊκές χώρες.